Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we are talking about one of the funniest and most understand storylines from the Big Bang Theory featuring Best, the Lovell geologist who unexpectedly become the center of additional. This episode starts with a shocking bat wine, the prestigious Machuras philosophy often referred to as the genius grant. While everyone is impressed, Sheldon struggled to accept that a geologist has received such a huge honor. Instead of congratulations, but essentially Sheldon constantly throughout distracting comments his way. The funniest part is that Bat barely noticed any of the insult, making Sheldon effort completely unless. As the story continues, we see another side of Bat. Despite his success, he still deals with loneliness and social awkwardness. His crush on Amy creates several hilarious situations. Amy tries to be kind to him but be misunderstands his friendliness and starts believing there could be something more between them. This leads to some incredibly funny misunderstandings, especially when Howard and Raj try to help manage the situation. One of the best moments comes when Amy decided to be honest with Bats. She wants to make it clear that she is not interested in him romantically. However, that lack of confidence turns a simple conversation into a awkward and conversation into an awkward and hilarious exchange. The writes do a fantastic job balancing comedy with genius emotions, making viewers laugh while also feeling for bad. Meanwhile, Sheldon remains jealous and throughout the episode, even after Bates wins a major scientific award, Sheldon cannot stop comparing himself to him. This creates several memorable one-liners and static remarks that showcase Sheldon's unique personality. The concentrate between Bates' humble nature and Sheldon's massive ego makes every sense between them entertaining. Another highlight is the party at Bates' house. What started as disappointing, ganting with almost no guests slowly become one of the funniest social events in the series. Through this sense, we discover that Amy is surprising popular among the university staff and students. This revelation completely shocks Sheldon, who struggled to understand how social property works. The episode also reminds us why the Big Bang Theory became such a successful sitcom. The show combines intelligence, humor, relatable structure, and unique character dynamic. Bats many not be one of the main characters, but episodes like this prove that supporting characters can steal the spotlighting when given the opportunity. Overall, this storyline is packed with laughter, awkward moments, clever jokes, and great character development. Bat transforms from a background character into someone viewers generally care about his journey from being ignored to becoming respected and successfully is both funny and heartwarming. If you enjoy episodes filled with screams, awkward social situation, and classic Big Bang Theory humor, this is definitely one you should watch. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comment which bad moments mod you log the most. See you in the next video.